It's going down.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Wedge.
It is going down.
We'll just make sure it's going down because it's hard to know sometimes with the log track.
It is going down, I can tell. I can see it from here. It's going down on this side, see?
Yeah, it's hard to see on this side. Yeah, that's going down, alright.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. That's it.
That side coming back?
Yeah, slowly.
I've got some in the back of my
No,
car.
yeah, but no, we need some for the sawmill.
Yeah.
See the pressure, see that popping. No, leave one in, I'll leave one in. No, stop, you're hitting the guides. I reckon like this in here, like this in here, like this in.
Yeah, so it's going down now. Hey, isn't that fucking weird? You get that hammer here.
That's actually splitting.
Hey? Yeah, it seemed to have.
But see, if the teeth aren't set right, if the teeth aren't set,
Of course, it could be out.
it doesn't.
Yeah.
It'll grab
Yeah.
and then pull it down.
Won't it?
He's a bit
Silly
smarter.
thing.
Just because you climb mountains doesn't mean hello,
Hey,
g'day.
Billy. Could be that.
Yeah, yeah, definitely because yeah, so it must have been 2.5 mil is what they were saying for it to stick out over.
Yep.
Because that's about the other one's about 3 or 4 mil, I suppose. That's pretty nice.
Nice and loose.
Well, not enough, loose enough, but you should be able to grab it from the middle.
Yep. Yeah, it's yeah, I reckon it could be this belt then. Maybe. Kicking it off in some way, hey? Possibly?
Yeah,
Do you think?
yeah,
Does it sound feasible to you?
yeah. Especially if it's that close.
Yeah. I know. Well, it's tight on there.
Yeah, yeah.
Tight in the V. I thought it might have worked.
No
better, but
butting heads, please.
it doesn't.
Give it up. Relax.
Go on.
Boo.
Go away. Go away. I'll fucking horn you.
No, that's all right. They're not that sharp. Woof. Woof.
Hey. They're playing around, aren't they? You dag. Aren't you? What a funny boy, eh? What a funny boy. Yes.
Koala. Eating gum leaves, mate.
Yeah, you'll be tripping next.
That's crazy.
You will.
Surprised.
Bloody oath.
Seems quite happy eating it too.
Doesn't he?
Wonder what his mouth tastes like.
Yeah, well. See the blade going in now? This is trial and erroring, mate. This is
Trial and scarer.
trial and scaring. Yeah, that's derailed. How's that? Want to come off? That's lucky. Didn't even fuck it. Just derailed. Oh, I fucked it. I'm fucking pointing the fuck out of it, won't it?
Oh, there's something wrong with it anyway.
Yeah.
The belt's alright?
Yeah. Luckily. The belt seems fine.
Close to you.
You said close too.
That's probably pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. What does it sound like it's hitting the back?
It's touching the block. That's just touching the block here.
That's out a bit. That's out a bit.
Out too far now.
Maybe, I don't know. Like, it's you know, like that. It's like, you know, that's
Yeah,
2 or
I
3
can
credit
see,
cards.
yeah.
Well, at least I could zoom in with this one.
Don't be too close. It'll be blurry.
No, because I could slow it down. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good there, isn't it?
Yeah. The only thing that'd be a problem is the lack of light. Yeah, that's about 2 cards.
Is it 2 cards? So is it on the belt all the way, or
Yeah.
is it off the belt?
Oh, well, it's
Like as in forward of the belt? Yeah, the belt's poking out the back. Needs to go in tiny bit. That's the wind, so we don't have to adjust that other wheel.
I wonder what caused that fucking to throw that
Right.
belt. I wonder how it picked that belt up and spat it out though. Go.
That brought it in.
I don't know if it's doing this, man.
That's what I said before it was doing that, remember?
Yeah. Try running this guide block up here.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, do it. Fuck, it looks like it, eh? It looks like it's coming in and out.
Yeah, I reckon it is. I said that earlier.
That's like I can hardly feel the belt, but you know, it's a good distance. Just yeah, so yeah, that's about the same.
That looks pretty good. Dangerous, though.
Yeah, not with the blade on.
I know. fucking dangerous, isn't it?
Nah. Yeah, I know what you mean. That's, it seems to be. Worn bit on the bearing, I can see that plastic. Not much. It's looking good. It's looking good.
It's not good.
No.
But why the fucking come off again? It's just a matter of sussing it out.
Yeah, I know.
What is it? I reckon maybe we need to adjust that. Maybe give it a bit of a sand on the inside.
Yeah.
That belt could be running slightly out of
I
skew.
know that chip
kicking
was there
it.
when I fucking got it.
Was it? Really? That chip? Yeah. Yeah, well I mean that wouldn't be causing it to
No,
derail.
I'm just saying.
You know, it's
I
I
mean, it's
think
got.
what could be. That could be, yeah, we need to adjust that a
That's
tiny bit.
worn a bit.
Yep.
I've got some replacement ones. I don't know what the fuck they are.
I don't think we need to replace it.
Well, feel the exit. Feel it.
Yeah, I know, it's scuffed up, yep. Yeah, we just need to adjust them a bit.